Over here, this is spot number 1. You get this whole park area. So that's awesome. So my brother's here, and then we got spot number 2, which is good. It's a little hill right here. So your table and chairs are in the back. As you can see, there's a little hill here. Your neighbors with number 3 and 4, 5 and 6 on down the road. It's a nice little spot. Like I said, spot number 1. If you're coming as 2 vehicles, get number 2 and number 1. And number 1, you have this whole area. Look at this. Nice little park setting. So number 1 is definitely the spot. But if you're coming with 2 vehicles, number 1 and number 2, definitely make it work. So this is nice. It's my brother's rig. So how was your experience so far?
Fabulous. Okay, so yeah, it's beautiful, quiet now that all the people have left. We have a fire going. We took a nice little walk around here and there and saw some of the local stuff. And yeah, had a great dinner.
Look at that view. Boom. Nice. All right, guys, so came down here. We're over here. It's actually very nice. You can see we got a lot of geese down here with little chicks, little babies, and with the South Fork American River. Nice spot.
Refreshing. Ice and snow. Yeah, it's pretty chilly. But once you're used to it, or not like used to it, but get acclimated a little bit.
Like once your legs go numb?
Yeah, and your feet are numb, then you don't feel a thing.
Yeah.
But I think it has to be hotter. I think there can't be a breeze, because if it's kind of a chillier breeze, and it just needs to be a little bit hotter.
Doing a little hiking, little trails all over the place. So it's kind of cool. Trails everywhere. Let's go this way. Yeah, little spot. Cool little spot. Little tent spot. Yeah. Probably set up a tent here. Maybe over here. Alright guys, today we're going to make tacos on the Blackstone. So we're going to take our ground beef, alright, let that ground beef marinate a little bit. We're going to put some spices on there. Put some pepper. We got a wedding going on in the background, so don't mind that guy. So a little salt, and I like this little ground pepper seasoning grinder. Still got a little bit of that oil. Gonna throw on some of these onions. Get these onions happy. Yep. And the bell peppers. Put a little bit of that garlic pepper grinder that I like. So this meat is done. We're gonna get that over to the side here. All right. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this stuff, mix it up. Let's go ahead and throw some cheese on there. A little dollop of sour cream. Boom. And there you have it, folks. That is TNT Blackstone tacos. All right, guys, here we go. Let those tortillas sit on a little bit too long, and that grease really crisps them up. Although it's very good. Meat is good. Could use a little bit more flavor in, but I didn't have the spices. Forgot to bring some chili spices. But overall, the meat with the spices and the onions with those bell peppers in there, Then you get that coolness of that sour cream. Ah, delicious. All right, what are we making? We're making s'mores. So my technique is the waffle cone, little mini marshmallows. We're gonna put those in, line the bottom of the waffle cone, sprinkle some chocolate chips. Butterscotch would be nice as well. You could throw in little slivers of banana or strawberries, and then another layer of marshmallows, and then another layer of chocolate chips, and then another layer of marshmallows. Wrap that all up in some tin foil, throw it on the fire, let it go, turn it a few times, and oh, it's burning right now, so I gotta get it off because you gotta make sure it's melted. All right, this could have went a little bit longer, but look at that. You got the melted chocolate, the melted marshmallows, and deep down inside, just gooey, chocolatey, marshmallowy goodness. Well, that's it for this trip. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and ring that little notification bell, and that way you're updated every time we post a new video. Until next time, hope your next adventure is your best adventure. See you on the road.